So today we have Pratibha Jain of Jaipur, Director of Sanmati Finance. So please welcome Pratibha Jain on our MYB channel. So yes, Pratibha,
Thank you.
tell us about yourself and your activities.
All right. So my name, as you all know, my name is Pratibha Jain, and currently I'm working with Sanmati Finance as a director. It's my husband business, and I have recently joined it. It's been only like 2 months. I worked with Teleperformance as an executive post, and there I got promoted as an AMCC and trainer as well as. Then I worked with American Express. After that, as always, like I got married and shifted to a very small city, Tonk. There I worked in a school as an English teacher. And like after having baby, I stopped, and it's been almost 3 years. Now I've recently joined the business of my husband, Sanmati Finance.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So how is your new business now? What you are offering to the clients?
Oh, we are offering to them secured and unsecured loans. We deals with the loans. We offer all type of car loan, home loan, mortgage against property, personal loan, business loan, and we give best to best deals to our clients. We provide best services. Now I personally interact with the customer. I actually observe what they do require, what are their requirement, how do they do not want much document work. They want the work in a very easiest way. So we always try to give them best to best services.
Okay.
We even try that not to collect the data directly. We try to send our colleagues to them. And we believe in easy and adapt policy. We believe in that what we best can give to them. We believe in I do policy, that what best we can give, rather than expecting what customer are expecting. We believe in what can we give to them, what are their expectations. We always try to fulfill their requirement.
What sort of customers you look forward?
Almost all type of customers. Either they are working with any kind of company, with a small company or big company, or with the corporates, any kind of customers. We deal with the small shops also, grocery stores also, doctors also. So every type of customers, businessmen also. So it completely depends how the customer is there. For example, if a customer is employed, there are two type of customer. One is the self-employed and the other one is salaried. So we deal with both of them, and according to their requirement we fulfill their requirements. Okay,
so what is your experience in last couple of months? Because of this pandemic, what is your experience? People are facing issues?
Right, it's completely different from the work I have done with the previous companies, and this is completely a different field for me. So I have learned a lot from my colleagues, from my executives, how they do make calls to clients, how they do talk to them, how they convince them, please take the loan. We offer best services, how to get the documents, how to get connected with the banks also, because in these 2 months have connected with so many chartered accountants as well as banks also, how to deal with them, how to make them understand that this is the customer and we have to do it within deadline. There are some deadline we give to customer that definitely sir will provide you within 5 days, 6 days. So it's completely very difficult, but I found it easy because I always try my best that how can I learn, how can I grow, and how can I go into depth to understand this finance field. It's completely different. It's kind of sales also, because
Okay.
to convince customers is a sale only. So we have to take the customer. There are few customers, they say, ma'am please do not disturb, ma'am please do not call, ma'am please how many times will you call us? So I always try to push in my colleagues, no, we have to get the customer, because if the customer is ready to ask that call me tomorrow, call me after some time, I'm busy, I'm occupied, which means customer is interested. But we just make to them convince, we just have to convince them how to get ready for everything, how to get loan, how to give them loan. So
So your entry has made your business growing now. What is your,
Yes.
yeah.
So it's been only 2 months. I cannot say that it is growing. It was already growing, but I just wanted to expand it. How can it, how can I expand it at a, large scale? So that is my passion right now, that how can I expand it at, very state level or very large scale.
So your village near Jaipur is Tonk, right?
Right.
Okay.
I got married in Tonk.
Okay. So customers
Now
are
we have
coming.
been shifted to
Yeah.
yes,
The customers are coming from which places?
from all over Rajasthan, either
All over
Kota,
Rajasthan.
Jodhpur,
Okay.
Udaipur. Yes. We have, employees at every place, either Kota, Udaipur, Jodhpur. We have employees everywhere. We work with them. And if any of the customers from Kota, we ask that executive colleague to go and, meet that customer. And if personally customer wanted us, ki, ma'am, please come, then we also go to meet them.